Bless us. Bless us. Bless us.
All of us.
Bless us. Bless us, Father.
Everyone.
Bless us, Father. Bless us, Father. Open the windows of heaven and let your glory come. Bless us, Father. Open the doors of heaven and let your glory come. Bless us, Father. Bless us. Bless us. Bless us. Bless us. I want to ask in this congregation today, everybody who is 30 years and under and single, to stand where you are. 30 years and under and single. If you don't understand the English, say it in your language. Somebody say it in their language. Alright. Everybody who is 30 years and under and single.
Tu restam bom de 30 anos, lá tapar e da soltero. Lá tapara.
This is serious. This is not a joke. This is serious.
No,
The rest of you close your eyes and pray. Close your eyes and pray. Don't look at nobody.
Tu rende sera wowo, restam de bom de 30 lá tapara, algo sério. Da oração, algo sério.
So those who are standing, come to the front for me, please.
Estão olhando para mim, dilanti. Hobenan, Moçambique.
Come to the front.
Dilanti, pastor. Tu restam bom de 30 anos, soltero, dilanti, pastor.
Line up to the front for me, right across. Hallelujah.
Dilanti, Senhor.
Hallelujah.
Aleluia. Diz, pastor.
Holy Spirit, rain down, rain down. Holy Spirit, rain down, rain down. Oh, comforter and friend, how we need your touch again. Holy Spirit, rain down, rain down. Let your power fall, let your voice be heard. Come and change our hearts as we stand on your word. Holy Spirit, rain, rain down. My brothers and sisters standing here before us, thank you. Thank you for responding. We just want to bless you today. This is not about asking you anything else except to bless you. For our joy is overflowing that you are in our midst. You have the energy. You have the capacity for visions. You have the capacity and the energy to take the gospel and go with it. And our church looks to you, the youthfulness that you carry, that you would bless our tomorrow. And so where you stand, I just want you to claim in your heart what I proclaimed a while ago. From today onwards, Yahweh says, I will bless you. Claim it in your heart. Speak it in your spirit. Speak it inside of you. From today onwards, call your name. Yahweh will bless me. My God will bless me from today onwards. And this blessing is because of the faithfulness of your parents and your grandparents who have nurtured and nourished faith in you, who have helped you to be where you are. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Hold fast to all that you have been taught. We need you to take this mantle. We need you to take Jesus Christ seriously.
Nós teríamos mais Cristo.
This is not a joke. I gave my life to Jesus when I was 17, 18.
Podia chegar em pastor da nossa vida.
And I've never regretted giving my life to
Eu
Jesus.
não tenho vergonha de não ter
I have lived my life by the grace of God
Eu sou vida da graça de
for the
Deus.
gospel of Jesus Christ.
A palavra de Deus.
And after 26 years of ministry, and 1 year as a deacon, 26 years as a priest, and 1 year as a deacon, 27 years of ministry, I have no regrets in saying yes to Jesus. And so we just want to bless you today. Just open your heart. So I want to ask some of the leaders, Deborah and some of the other leaders who are here, come and just lay hands on them individually. Stand with them and just lay hands on them and let's just pray. Pray a blessing upon these our sons and daughters here today. Pour out your spirit. Pour out your spirit. Those who are leaders in the prayer groups or whatever, come, everybody take one of them and lay hands and pray upon them. Just pray a blessing upon them. Pour out your spirit. Pour out your spirit. Pour out your spirit on them. Pour out your spirit. Pour out your spirit. Pour out your spirit on them.